Ready to supercharge your web design workflow with the ultimate Adobe app power couple? Let's jump right in and see how Dreamweaver effortlessly integrates with other Adobe apps, streamlining your design and coding process. This is your one-stop shop for all things web development. First, let's talk about Photoshop. Imagine you're designing a fancy image for your website banner. Create or edit your image in Photoshop, and once you're happy with it, save it as a web-optimized format. Now, head back into Dreamweaver, insert the image into your HTML document where you want it to appear, browse to the image you saved in Photoshop, and click Insert. Easy. See how your images are seamlessly imported. Dreamweaver allows for effortless image adjustments within the interface. After inserting in the Properties panel, you can easily modify things like image size, alternative text, and more. Want to adjust the layout? Do it all in Dreamweaver. Next, let's get to Illustrator. Let's assume your colleague is working with you using the app. They create a vector graphic and send you an update. Then, from Photoshop you copy the element, switch over to Dreamweaver, paste it into your body, and format accordingly. But the real magic happens with the Adobe Creative Cloud. Any assets you create or edit in Photoshop, Illustrator, or other Adobe apps can be instantly accessed and updated within Dreamweaver. This ensures complete consistency throughout your website design and updates. Dreamweaver also enhances your code, ensuring responsive web designs and clean formatting with features like code hinting, syntax highlighting, and real-time preview. You will become an expert very quickly. By connecting Dreamweaver with the creative power of other Adobe apps, you're unlocking a whole new world of web development efficiency and creativity. So, dive in, experiment, and start building something amazing. Your web design journey starts now.